What's up, YouTube? So, again, we're not on our boat. We're at home. I have a slave day job. So I have to work that for like 10 more days and then we'll be out fishing again. But until then, this is our first venture into 3D printing. What we have here is the Bambu Labs X2D with AMS system. I don't know anything about it. This is my first 3D printer. Never 3D printed anything, nor has my wife, but we're curious. This goes with our Kydex holster making, deer call making, and all sorts of other things we have for our gunsmithing and FFL business that we're slowly working on. But without further ado, this video is just an unboxing. What's in this box? I don't know. Maybe it's a 3D printer. Maybe it's empty. We're going to find out.
Drum roll, please. Oh, you did that.
Okay. First off, Bambu Lab X2D AMS combo. So this kit is $250 more than just the 3D printer itself, coming with the AMS system. As far as I know, is that it's supposed to control your filament or something, 4 spools, dry it out, and then feed it into the machine. What else do we have here? Carefully read these boxing instructions. I'm sure you scan that and gives you more awesome video instructions. We'll put this off to the side. All right. They really like to scan your box thing. This looks like it appears to be the tools, maybe a little maintenance kit for the printer. Looks like maybe a couple Allen wrenches, a couple maybe replacement screws, and maybe some lube. It is. What a guess. So this is what you get in your little, I'm just going to drop it on the floor and lose things already. In your little maintenance kit, there's Bambu Labs, 2 green tubes and a black tube. I can't tell you what they are, let's just call them lube. You also have a hot replacement nozzle and a little black box, I'm sure is important. All right, so this thing is very well packaged. We are in Ketchikan, Alaska, so this had to make quite the flight. Yes, most of our mail all comes up on an airplane or on a barge. This came up on an airplane FedEx, like 2-day air or something. Thank you, Best Buy, for eating the shipping on that and me looking for the best deals for free shipping. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out of the box.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
that
God.
is heavy. Hold on.
It is heavy.
Hold on, I'll grab the box.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get that box
Wow.
out of the way.
Look how crazy packing.
Packing's very well packed. Nice
Bubble wrap.
nice bubble packaging along the sides. There's very sturdy foam, very well molded. Yeah, on the side of the box, it's got the model number. On the other side of the box, it actually has your product serial number and box number and EIN, all that fun stuff. So take a picture of that and don't lose that.
Okay. The box is heavy.
Yep.
On the bottom right there.
Yeah, the box did have a little gouge in it. I will inspect the printer a little bit more when we get this open, but I'm guessing by the way it was packaged, it's probably still fine.
Maybe on this side.
Yep, let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. Good tape. They don't want you to get into this thing.
Just cooking. I'm gonna lift it up. I'll pull. There you go.
Okay. This thing actually looks pretty compact. I'm impressed. I've seen videos and pictures of it before I purchased it, but
Wow.
it does look pretty.
I'm checking the bottoms to make sure. Yeah, looks good.
Very well packaged door. And that should kind of slide out.
There's no
Nope,
tape on this
more
side.
tape.
It's on this side.
Okay.
Right here. I'll do it. Okay. Got it on.
So this thing more than likely will live out in our shop. From what I've seen, it's supposed to have really good filters on it, be quiet enough for you to be able to run it in your house and not bug you all night while it's printing doing jobs. Go ahead and take some more of this stuff off.
Go ahead and do that.
Alright.
Yes.
Inside here you have some more tubing. I believe that's for your filament to be fed in through your AMS system. It's also packed well inside the printer. You got some more foam. We'll put that in the foam pile. Very well packed. These harder pieces are blocking your AMS system. Oh, what do we got here? Accessory box. What type of accessories are you providing for us today, Bambu Lab?
Here's the
We did purchase this with all our money. We are not sponsored by anyone. We just wanted to share our journey with you. If you are thinking of 3D printing and you live in a remote island in Alaska, like I'm sure you do, do your homework. I checked a lot of places. Bambu Lab's website was awesome. They have a lot of things they provide, but they wanted upwards of $200 to get this thing shipped to Alaska. I scoured the internet, and my last ditch landed me on eBay, which, buying things on eBay, who knew? But it was actually Best Buy selling on eBay. I trusted that name a little bit more, and they offered free shipping for the same price. I'll take that all day long. So inside your accessory box, this appears to be our digital display, which will go up here, a nice touchscreen display. Again, I am just guessing from the tiny little bit I've heard of this thing. I really have no clue what I'm talking about, but I'm sure you guys will make fun of me later. So we take this little piece of tape off. There we go. I'm guessing this plugs right in here, because why would I read the instructions? It's right in front of us, plain as English. And that goes something like this, and something like that. I figured it out. Genius! Ooh, this is heavy. This guy feels like a heavy piece, but probably important. Well, let's go ahead and call this thing the doohickey. I have no clue. We'll figure it out at a later date. In here we got a power cord. We have another communication cord. I would assume this probably goes from the printer itself to the AMS machine, which is still in here. I'm getting there. Settle down. The video will keep going, I promise. In here, these look like... Yep, that's exactly what I thought. Who knows? But we'll figure it out. And then we have 2 more boxes. That will go to the box pile. Continuing on, we have some more very well packed foam right in front of our front door. Very solid, sturdy foam. Inside here, oh, it's heavy. More foam. That's not so heavy. Okay. And there's a lot more foam. So let's go ahead and open up this front door again. I'll move some of these shenanigans off to the side. It's a foam piece right here, which is there's some more foam right here. Go ahead and leave that there for a moment.
Needs to come out too.
I know, but we can't get that until we get it out. Just trying to feel everything. I do know for sure that this thing goes up here.
Where's the instructions?
Instructions?
Oh my god.
Oh, who wants to look at those?
I do.
Let me go ahead and spin this to the side really quick. We're not going that way. She found something. I think she's trying to look before I break something.
Oh my god, yes, I am.
But little does she know, it's 2026. There's no such thing as instructions. You just get little scanny things that you have to scan and watch a video on how to do this.
Yeah, see, and I found the scanny things.
I knew it.
I found the scanny
Because I'm
things.
smart.
But it gives you a free premium model to make something for our first try. Oh, right. Lots of scanny things.
All right. Anyways. Bambu Labs, X2D. What do you think? It's amazing. I'm just kidding. When we figure this out, I'm sure there'll be another part 2 to this video. We might even print something. But until then, keep watching. We have fishing coming in a week and a half. Until then, expect videos of 3D printing. We got more stuff to unbox and a lot more stuff and videos inside of our shop. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, you're right. It just lifts up. Straight up.